Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, letter detectives. Today we're going to play a fun game called Missing Letters. Sometimes, a word is not complete because a letter is missing. Your job is to find the missing letter and make the word whole again. Missing letters are like puzzles. When a letter is left out, the word doesn't look or sound right. But when we add the right letter, the word becomes complete. Here's our first one. D, fill the blank, G. What's missing? Yes, the letter O that makes dog. Woof woof. Look at this. S, fill the blank N. We need the letter U now, it's sun, shining bright in the sky. Try this. A. P, fill the blank, E. What letter do we need? That's right. L. Now it's apple, yummy and red. Now it's your turn. C, fill the blank, W, cow. B, fill the blank, LL, ball. Fi, fill the blank, H, fish. Great job, letter detectives. Now you know how to spot and fix missing letters in words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a super speller. Bye-bye, word wizards.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.